companies Pravio is Ukrainian vertically integrated industrial holding, which operates in the agricultural sector of the Ukrainian economy. Key principles of the holding Pravio are transparency, maximum integration, European methods of management, social responsibility, and maximum compliance with international standards. Pravio is interconnected business areas which combine milk, agricultural, communications, and other businesses. Agricultural business of Pravio is represented by a number of agricultural enterprises specializing in growing corn, winter wheat, soybeans, spring barley, forage crops, and dairy farming. At present, agribusiness companies of Pravio cultivate more than 35,000 hectares of land.
При збільшенні посівних площ усіх сільськогосподарських
With the increase in the cultivated area of different crops, there is a need to have our own processing enterprise, which couldn't only clean the commodity grain crops that we grow, but also dry it.
Товарне зерно культур, які ми вирощуємо, але й його підсушувати.
In 2010, the company built modern elevator complex with area of 27,000 square meters for storing grain. The current capacity for the complex for drying is 100 tons per hour, and storage capacity is 15,000 tons. Cultivation of our own crops is one of the most important components of an integrated business model of Pravio. Performance indicators of cultivation and crop yields are much higher than the average in Ukraine due to the use of advanced technology, intensive investment, the use of the world's best methods of cultivation and strong management team. As experience has shown, a significant role for the successful production also played the correct geographical location of plants, selected with the optimal amount of rainfall and the quality of the land. The priority for us is the implementation and usage of modern technologies in agriculture. An important aspect of agricultural production is the incoming and outgoing quality control of crop products. In our own measuring agrochemical laboratory, certified in accordance with all the necessary modern requirements, our experts define the characteristics of the seeds during its shipment on storage and evaluate the quality of the seeds. Plant and leaf diagnosis of crop nutrition is also implemented in the laboratory. Agribusiness companies of Pravio use ultra-modern cultivation equipment for land farming. There are more than 30 units of such equipment in the arsenal of households now. Much attention is paid to staff development, regular internships, study abroad, creation of favorable work conditions. An effective incentive system allows today to talk about the high human potential of agricultural team. The flagship of the group of companies Pravio is Ichnya Condensed Milk Company. This is European-level milk processing plant in Ukraine, which is an undisputed leader in the Ukrainian market of condensed milk. Ichnya Condensed Milk Company is a modern manufacture complex designed and built on the basis of ultra-modern technologies corresponding to the strictest requirements of the world's environmental standards. Efficient enterprise performance provides a team of professionals that make the process of making condensed milk carefully controlled at all stages, from the supply of raw materials for production till the appearance of favorite dainty on the supermarket shelves. Manufacture of condensed milk at Ichnya Condensed Milk Company begins with the delivery of quality fresh milk to the enterprise, which is brought from the most modern farms equipped with high-tech equipment, milking and refrigeration systems, devices for milk quality control. Comfortable conditions of livestock provide productiveness of milk yields and consistently high quality. milk is transported to the plant only in specialized modern milk tanker with integrated laboratories. Before getting into production, milk delivered to the plant passes through a comprehensive multi-level quality assessment. There is our own certified laboratory, which allows control product quality at all stages of manufacture. Employers of production laboratory take samples and determine physical and chemical characteristics, sorting meal out. Our enterprise is equipped with up-to-date laboratory devices, which are able to identify the main indicators of the delivered milk in minutes. It is worth mentioning that only extra class and first grade milk is used for production of condensed milk at Ichnya Condensed Milk Company. Milk, after its laboratory testing of quality and its determination of suitability for the production of canned milk, is put into a storage tank. In order to eliminate extraneous microflora evolution, milk before its processing is cooled to the temperature 4 ± 2 degrees Celsius. Milk from the storage tank is transported to the pre-processing, where it is purified, centrifuged and pasteurized. Milk cleaning is carried out on bacteriophage that allows removing up to 90% of extraneous microflora. Pre-processing also includes normalization of fat content and content of dry non-fat milk residue. New automated normalization systems reliably provide uninterrupted and highly accurate control over the whole process. The main raw material for the production of this product is milk and sugar. A key step in the production of sweetened condensed milk is exactly addition of sugar. It is really crucial to add the optimum amount of sugar, because it affects not only on taste quality but also on its shelf life. After addition of sugar begins the process of evaporation, which is carried out in a modern vacuum evaporation film time setting. This process continues till the desired solids content in these products is achieved. Such content is controlled by determination of the product density with the help of lactose densimeter and solids with laboratory reflectometer. Final concentrate after vacuum evaporator setting has to be chilled. This is one of the most critical and important steps in technological process. To avoid appearance of taste and consistently shortcomings in the product and the presence of large lactose crystals, fine crystalline lactose is added to the product on the stage of cooling. Time, intensity of mixing, and temperature regime is strictly controlled during the cooling process period. Chilled condensed milk is pumped into a storage tank for the final product, where it must be stored till being packed in consumer packages. Traditionally, sweetened condensed milk is packed in tins, which must pass through high temperature and ultraviolet rays processing till being filled in. Part of the final product is packed in other, more modern packings such as pouches, PET bottles, polyethylene bags, and bags in boxes. Consistently high quality of products is the main strategy of the company and area of safety and quality. This is produced product conformity to the European standards. Ichnya Condensed Milk Company is certified according to the international standards and has Quality Management System Certificate ISO 9001-2000. Also, our company has been successfully certified according to the standards of HACCP Food Safety Management System certification, which constantly opens up new horizons and opportunities for the development in the Ukrainian and international markets. Thus, in 2011, Ichnya Condensed Milk Company received a halal certificate, which opened up new opportunities for product export to the countries of the Islamic world. constantly giving increased attention to the quality and safety of products, we regularly conduct testing of all raw materials and all finished products in compliance with the UKR system. Numerous famous competition and exhibition awards give evidence about high product quality of our company. Only in the last 5 years, Ichnya Condensed Milk Company has been awarded more than 50 rewards. Nowadays, Ichnya Condensed Milk Company produces more than 120 types of condensed milk: sweetened condensed milk, condensed cream, sweetened condensed milk with cocoa, sweetened condensed milk with fructose, heat-treated sweetened condensed milk, and others. During past 9 years of its existence, Ichnya Condensed Milk Company increased manufacturing volumes by 6 times. This helped to make hundreds of new working places. Ichnya Condensed Milk Company is an automized factory with modern innovative technologies of canned milk goods production. Currently, our factory manufactures more than 2,600 tons of sweetened condensed milk per month, and our production facilities allow us to process 600 tons of milk per day. Our products are familiar to consumers under the trademark Mama Mila, Ichnya, Milada. The main advantages of our products are a wonderful, beloved by the majority, traditional taste, high quality, different types of packaging. Particularly, our exciting new packaging with a unique original design is in a great demand, what makes products of our plant distinguished from other manufacturers. Products under the trademark Mama Mila and Ichnya are well known and beloved not only in Ukraine but also abroad. At present, more than 50% of Ichnya Condensed Milk Company products are exported to 40 countries all around the world. Nowadays, our products are presented at all continents of the world. The path of formation was quite difficult. Since 2008, every year we received gold medal for products quality at the biggest Moscow exhibition Prod Expo. In 2013, we received Grand Prix for the quality of our products, being ahead of Russian and even Belarusian manufacturers. We export our products to such exotic countries as Trinidad, Tobago, Cuba, Afghanistan, African countries, all the countries of CIS. We are leading export in Ukraine of condensed milk. We are number 1 among Ukrainian companies that started to sell products to Far East.
Мы первые, кто начали продавать дальнее зарубежье из украинских комбинатов.
Today, the group of companies Pravio is proud of its professionals, raw materials, innovative high-quality equipment, allowing turn-out products which do not have analogs in Ukrainian market by quality and assortment.